Yeah.
Introducing mesh avatars for Microsoft Teams in private preview at Microsoft. They're offering innovative solutions to encourage collaboration and enhance connection. Well, I did how many minutes in the previous episode about video conferencing, lack of connection, FaceTime, wanting to see people in real life. And
so
then
this is not for you.
And then they're like, we just really want to enhance connection by making you a cartoon instead of actually you and keeping you in an apartment somewhere because you work remotely now.
Uh-huh.
And we really feel it's going to enhance connection. And then you're frickin' miserable over there and wondering what the hell went wrong because Microsoft told you that your mesh avatar was going to solve everything.
Mesh avatar.
It does look pretty cool, though.
It looks like a Sims character.
It does look pretty cool.
And the whole UI looks very Sim-like.
We've taken mesh avatar customization options very seriously. We want to make avatars as unique as you are, so we're enabling features to celebrate diversity and inclusivity. The Mesh Avatar Builder allows you to select from hundreds of combinations to customize your avatar that represents your physical attributes, wardrobe, accessories, and more. Are people going to make themselves as fat as they actually are? That's what I want to know.
Yeah, I'm going to break the system.
I want to see actual fatness.
Yeah.
No, I don't know. Do whatever you want. I don't care. That is a curiosity to me, is if people really even want to, I asked you this question in the past, is once you give people avatar-like controls or filters on their social media or whatever it is, do they actually choose to be themselves or do they enhance to a point of zero recognition? Like, see what I'm saying? I don't know that the guy...
with neon beard.
Whatever, everything. They just start having fun with it. And I'm not saying there should be rules around it. That's not my point. I'm just saying you give people skins in video games and they go crazy with it, obviously.
Yeah.
And you don't know what you're actually...
I think the creation tool is more fun than anything that they're doing because you get to customize your character. But then after, when it shows on the webcam for a couple of times, I think it's just
weird.
dull.
It gets weird, right? So you got to all of a sudden start beefing it up.
Yeah, the creation tool is cool.
It's like, dude, your beard was blue last time. Should be green this time. And then we're all just looking at a hodgepodge. We're just looking at mashed potatoes in the end. So, I don't know. Nothing wrong with I kind of like mashed potatoes.
Yeah, it's actually pretty good.
So...